This podcast is to show you how to create box plot. In some textbooks, they called 5-point statistic summary. Now, 5 points means minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum. And also, we like to know if we have outlier in our data sets. So in order to get outlier, we need to find out what we call the interquartile range. We abbreviate as IQR. Now interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. And inner fence is Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. Outer fence is Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. Now those data points that are bigger than outer fence or smaller than inner fence are called outliers. Now from minimum Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum, we can create box plot. Now let's go to Excel, see how can we get all those information. Now this data from previous data. So here we get 20 data here. So in order to create box plot, or we call it 5-point statistic summary, we need to find out the minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, maximum. So minimum is, we use a function equal a minus n, and then we select the data. So minimum is 12. Q1, we use the function quartile, Q-U-A-R-T-I-L-E, and then we select data. This is first quartile, so you put 1. Q2 is a median or second quartile, so equal Q-U-A-R-T-I-L-E, select data, comma 2. Q3 is third quartile, equal Q-U-A-R-T-I-L-E, we select data, and then comma 3. And maximum is equal MAX. We select data and close parentheses. So for this 5 point, we can create box plot. We will use the next slide to show you how to create box plot. Right now we are looking for IQR. Interquartile range equal Q3 minus Q1. So in this case, IQR is 17.5. Inner fence is Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. So negative 2.5. Outer fence is equal Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. So 67.75. Now for this set of data, there's no outlier. Now if we change the data, for example, the last data 27, I change 27 to 90. Then the outer fence 72.1, and 90 is bigger than outer fence, so 90 is outlier. Okay, let's change it back. So change it back to original data. So now let's see how to create a box plot. So first of all, we draw a rectangular box. In the middle, we draw the line. Be careful, they need to be proportional. So on this rectangle, left-hand side is Q1, which is 30. Right-hand side Q3, which is 57. And proportional, in the middle, we draw the line. That's Q2. And from left-hand side edge, from Q1, you draw the line proportional to minimum number. And from Q3, draw the line go up to maximum number. So now this is our box plot. Any questions?